Good day, everyone. Um, Hope you had a good day. I'm sorry this video is coming rather very late. I'm supposed to have done it very early in the week. During the course of the week, I received so many calls concerning the assignments that we were given. So many of us are having issues with the loading of our resources, and this is actually one of the easiest thing you could do. So right now I'm going to make this short video to show you how you can load your assignment with your resources. First of all, I will advise you to do everything that you're supposed to be doing. Put all the activities and the linking that before you get to this place. Now, to do the cost and the resource loading, you go to your program. This is my own program. This is the baseline. It is ending on 29th of May 2017, and I'm having a total float of 0. So now I will advise that you create a project resource for this particular project itself. And how do you do that? As I told us before in the class, you go to Enterprise, you go to Resources, then you can add your resource from here. You can add a new resource from here, or if you want to use an existing resource, I have so many resources in my database that I have created before, but for the particular use of this project I'm using, you can see I named it as Office Building, Excavator, Carpenter, Foreman, and Labor. And basically we're needing just 4 resources that is being highlighted here: laborer, foreman, carpenter, and excavator. And all these 4 are being assigned each to our activities that we have in the project. So let's start. Now if we notice here, activity 1, activity ID 1000, the notice to proceed, that is NTP, notice to proceed, has no resource loading and has no cost loading on it. But the activity ID 1010, which is the mobilization, has 5 laborers, 1 foreman, no carpenter, and we have 1 excavator. And the cost accrued to that activity only is $2,000. Okay. Now what you do is to go to your program, go to your activities. Okay. We are now putting resources on mobilization. Don't forget, 5 laborers, 1 foreman, 1 excavator, 2,000 total cost. We go to mobilization. On mobilization, you click on resource, then you assign all the resource that is being assigned. From here we have laborers, we have 1 foreman, we have 1 excavator. So what we have here is laborers, foreman, excavator. Now the unit, we want to know, in this place, in this activity, we have 5 labor. So we go to our program, we click on labor. How many units is it? So you just put 5 here. Okay. How many labor do you need? How many foreman? We need 1. How many excavator? We need 1. Okay. Now the expense on this activity is $2,000. So you need to assign a cost to this activity. It's either you add it as an expense or you add it as a resource, but we always advise for you to add it as a resource. So you go to your expenses. Okay, you click add. Okay, let me first of all, let me delete the one that I have before here. Now this new expense, budgeted unit, better you just put 1. Now, what's the price for this unit? Is 2,000. Put your 2,000. So that's how you do it for all the activities. Now going down to, you do it for all these activities. Now going down to our unit cost allocation, which I believe so many of us have problem with, is to go into your P6, go to enterprise, click on resources, and go to that project resource. You know, we have laborer, let me put it as laborer. We have the foreman, we have the carpenter, and we have the excavator. Now, in this program, in this question, we're asked to put labor to be $20 per hour. So what we did is to click on laborer, then go to your unit price. If you don't have this units and prices, just right click somewhere here and customize the columns that you have. Okay, so you click on unit price, then how many hours will they work in a day? Maybe your own company is working 12 hours, you put 12 hours here. Okay, maybe your own company is working 10 hours, you put 10 hours here. My own company is working 8 hours, so I put 8 hours per day here. Now, how much is it? Because my database on this my pieces is Qatari Riyals, so I'm using, for this trade, laborer. In this question, you see labor is $20 per hour, so I'm using it as 20 Qatari per hour. Now, don't bother yourself about how much is the total of this is going to be, because Primavera is going to do that for you. Okay, now we've done that for labor. Let's go to foreman. Is $25 per hour. Foreman, I put $25 per hour. Okay, if this is not in existence before in your own database, it's just for you to click add, put the maximum number of units that you're using in the project. Maybe you're working 8 hours. I'm working 8 hours in my own company, and here for foreman is 25 Qatari Riyals. Okay, don't be confused about the dollars or Qatari Riyals. Just make sure you put a 25, whichever currency that you are having. But I'd advise that in real life work, you should convert the currency of your database to Qatari Riyals, because you are in Qatar. Except you're doing a multinational project for some of us that are working on Qatar petroleum projects and all that. So if you have further questions, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. You see carpenter here is 24. I put 24 already, and the excavator is 500 per day. Then excavator, I put 500 per day. This is very, very easy. If you still have issues, just tell me on the WhatsApp group so we can iron it out. So till some other time when I'll be making some other video, I'm going to make another video on how you update your program, because some people also ask me about the update. So stay blessed, and I pray that you understand this very much as I have explained. If you have further questions, send me WhatsApp message. Give me a beep if you don't have credit on your phone. I'll call you back. God bless you and have a good day. Bye.